Welcome to myrelishstories and thanks for joining me here today. Breakfast is my favorite meal to prepare. And baking my own bread is always a pleasure. So today I'm sharing a recipe of a very simple bread. So let's start. I like to serve these buns with some cream cheese, some salami and boiled eggs. And how I can't forget something green? So there are some salad leaves on the top of this sandwich. And I bake them on Friday to serve on the weekend. So on Saturday I served it with some omelette, and on Sunday I served them with some cream cheese and salami filling. There is no doubt the fresh is always best, but on the second day they were not that bad. So this was my baking therapy from this weekend. If you like this recipe and want to see more recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe my Relish Stories.